gonna show you how to. I'm gonna show you all of my saves. Don't know what is this, but it's called Iraqi Soldier. This is a Roman group. It's kinda laggy. And this is the Roman group. And now, wait. You could get another achievement. Yo! This is a Roman soldier. Military personnel. Police. Split human. Swordman. Uy, this is local support army. Aja. Tapos ay a cake rebel. Cake. It has combination.
Wala naman yung filter.
But I can't spawn that for a reason. This is neutral arm dude. Banlag. Yo! This is the rebel group. This is the safe. Ah, cockroach! Lexus cockroach! Gumanong ka pa, yan.
Kay, kumain ka na ha.
Leg!
Akin na muna yan.
Inetas.
Nagbibidyo.
This is my
about a game.
and this is another tank that I created. This is a wheel that I created. Wait. Yeah. And this is my turret. Wait, why didn't I spawn it? Yo, it could work. Look at that. Told you it could work. Goodbye, everyone. That's my saves for today.